I heard you in a song. Now I know that this will never go.
What's up, all my ladies? It's your girl Sabrina, aka Lady Gemini, coming to you with a just little quick wig review or whatever. This is for my girls who are on a budget, who still want to look fly, want to look good, but just need something like, you know, more affordable on a budget. So today I'm trying out this wig that I came across, and she is a baddie, y'all, period, because I had already took out the box, but we're gonna start this from the beginning, and I'm gonna start it from the beginning for you guys. So I did everything off camera. I did my ball cap or whatever off camera, as you can see. So let's get right into it. So the wig that we're trying out today is from Cloud9, a Swiss lace wig. It is, you know what lace. If you know, you know. If you don't, now you know. Okay, so this is from the collection LEENA. I hope I'm saying this right, because I'll be messing up people's names. That would say right, LEENA. And this is in the color 1B. Now this wig is a 13 by 6 part, I'm saying part, lace front in the front. Okay, it's a 13 by 6, so you get a good little coverage or whatever. So let me show her to you. Dun, 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 dun. Introducing you guys, LEENA. Don't mind me, but this is LEENA. So this is her out the pack. Let me take the lace off for you guys. Yes, honey, she is a curly. So if you want something, you know, short, cute, on the go or whatever, this is her. So this is her out the pack. The curls are beautiful, and she is soft. Okay, so this is what the inside look like. Supposed to be a 13 by 6. It's not the like regular 13 by 6 where you get that full coverage, but you know, it's still enough coverage for you to do what you need to do, honey. So you guys, are you ready? Are you ready to put this thing on? I'm gonna go ahead. She got the little straps in the back, so I'm gonna clip those in right quick. Okay, so if you want, like, sometimes to do sometimes with my lace, if you prefer, I like to tint my lace just like I would with regular hair, but I'm just gonna try this on straight out the box for y'all. So let's get her. Maybe do y'all baby? Oh, okay, this is nothing done to her yet. Like, do y'all see this lace, baby? Oh. Oh, we're about to eat the honeys up, baby. We're about, let's get this thing laid down and ready to be installed, because she's not coming to play. She didn't come to play. So with this wig, you can wear it as a glueless if you want. Cut your lace right, you know, melt it down. You can wear it as a glueless, but for me right now, I'm not going to wear it as a glueless. I want my wig to be secured down. So yes, honey, I am going to be going in with my bow hold. If you don't know, now you know. And those that do know, you know. So I'm going to be going in with my bow hold. Okay, active glue to lay her down. All right, so I'm gonna go in with my bold hold to lay her down. All right. back. Now that it's dried clear, we can go ahead and tack this baby down. Oh, just for extra hold, sometimes I just like to add some. See that? I took this band off, honey. She's already giving and we're not even complete yet. That's what I'm talking about. Period. Be back. Alright, let's get into it. What's up, my boutique babies? Coming to you with details about the hair. She is called LEENA, okay? LEENA. Now, LEENA is a 13 by 6. Look, I love me a versatile wig, okay? Because you can part it to the side, you can part it in the middle, you can flip it to the other side. This thing won't let me be great. What was I saying? Yes, you can style it however you want to because it is a 13 by 6. Now, this thing says what lace? It meant what it says, okay? It's giving so it is Swiss lace, okay? HD. So also this can also be curled up to 400, safe up to 400 degrees. The color I have is a 1B. So if you are interested in this wig, go ahead and purchase it. Share with me how you style your hair. Comment below, have you tried this wig? Would you try this wig? Do you see yourself trying this wig? Yeah, that's LEENA. Go get her.
You are so pretty, pretty.